5 fun facts about Tortola. Chartering a boat is one way to island hop from Tortola to the rest of the BVI. According to the Tourism Board, slightly more than half of all visitors to the British Overseas Territory's 60 islands and cays stay on yachts. Tortola brings lots of opportunities to shop for jewelry and local crafts at the street vendors, boutiques, and craft markets. Roadtown Harbor is Tortola's largest natural harbor and also the most protected harbor in the BVI. It serves as the main port of entry for the islands. The island is home to many species of birds, including the red-footed booby, the pelican, and the frigate bird, which can be observed in the nature reserves and parks. Tortola is also home to the oldest